President Yoweri Museveni has summoned all his advisors for a presidential retreat at Kyankwanzi, according to the Office of the President. The retreat is scheduled to begin on the 12th of December 2021, slated to run for a full week, and all presidential advisors are expected to attend in order to have their inaugural general interface with the president for the 2021 to 2026 term. According to the Minister of Presidency, Babirye Babalanda, the planned retreat arrangement has been confirmed and all the concerned people have been informed about the program. According to Babalanda, the interaction between the head of the state and his advisors is largely expected to revolve around the manifesto implementation business and other undisclosed businesses that may come up. The retreat comes at a time when the ruling National Resistance Movement Party is placed or faced with a daunting task of realizing the manifesto promises made to the public in the run-up to the January 14th general elections, and which were hinged at under the theme Securing the Future, January 14th, 2021 general elections. So the mantle of securing the future of Uganda is so great at a task for one to play best on, and it's not a gamble, it's a matter which requires lifelong commitment, unending sacrifice, and vast experience, as read by Minister's statement. Minister Babalanda said that the NRM is the only political organization that can be trusted with the sacred responsibility of securing Uganda's future. She emphasized the need for creation of jobs and wealth through promotion of commercial agriculture, industrialization, service delivery, information and communications technology, education, health, and water. Others are key manifesto promises whose implementation the government has embarked on include ensuring justice and equity, protecting life and property, achieving economic and political integrations. So that is the reason as to why His Excellency Yoweri Museveni has decided to summon advisors for week-long meeting. Well, that is it for now, and thanks for watching Projan Media TV. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for all these updates.